Hey, and welcome back to a new video. Today I want to show you how to add Google Fonts to your Webflow project. So let's imagine we have a text here in our Webflow project and we really want to use this very specific font that was published on Google Fonts. So this one, but it's not in our Webflow project so far. Then we can easily go to our project settings here and go into the fonts category. And the cool thing is Google Fonts and Webflow are already integrated. So I can just type in the font that I need, Sankofa in this case, and I say, okay, I want to have the regular and the Latin version. So I add the font, as we can see here. And now we can reload our designer and hopefully we are able now to pick the new font from the project. And yeah, let's see what happens. So let's go to the typography menu here. And now we want to use the font. Whoop, we have it. No, Google Fonts. Let's see if we have Sankofa. Ah, yeah, here it is. So we can just choose it and here we go. We have the new font. If you liked the video, follow me for more. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Otherwise, see you soon. Bye-bye.